cube of other negative decimal numbers. Examples. Find the cube of minus 1.5. Solution. Solution. We have minus 1.5 raised to the power of 3. Minus 1.5 raised to the power of 3. So we have minus 1.5 raised to the power of 3. This can be written as what? That is minus 1.5. You can write this as minus 15 over 10. Then raised to the power of 3. Now, we can write this as what? Minus 15 over 10 times minus 15 over 10 times minus 15 over 10. Now, what do we have from here? 15 times 15 is 225. That's for the numerator. So we need to multiply 225 by 15. 225 by 15, what do we have? Now, 5 times 5, we have 25. Then we carry 2. Right? 5, we carry 2. 5 times 2, we have 10. 10 plus 2, we have 12. Then we carry 1. We write 2, we carry 1. 5 times 2, we have 10. 10 plus 1, we have 11. Now, we use this 1 again. 1 times 5, we have 5. 1 times 2, we have 2. 1 times 2, we have 2. So, adding from the back, we have this to be 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 2 plus 1, we have 3. 2 plus 1, we have 3. So, it means that 15 times 15 times 15 will give us 3,375. So, from here, we have minus times minus, what do we have? Plus. Plus times minus will give us minus. So this is going to be minus 375 over what? 3,375 divided by what? 10 times 10 we have 100. Times 10 we have 1,000. So converting. This is an improper fraction. So the mapping starts from the back with only zeros at the denominator. Now, the mapping will stop at what? The mapping stops at 3. That is, when you are looking from the, counting from the right to the left. So it stops at 3, which is here. So in front of 3, there will be a decimal point. So that is going to be what? Minus 3.375 is the answer to the problem. Thank you.